Today, I'll walk you through how to create a dynamic monthly calendar in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a fully functional calendar so you can easily manage your time and stay organized. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You can do this by typing Google into your address bar and hitting enter. This is your starting point for accessing all Google services, including Sheets. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the Apps icon in the top right corner. Click on it and then select Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will take you to Google Sheets where you can create and edit spreadsheets. Now in Google Sheets, click on the Template Gallery option at the top right of the screen. This gallery offers a variety of pre-made templates, including calendars, which can save you time and effort. After you click on the template gallery, scroll down until you find the Calendars section. Here, you will see various calendar templates available for use. Choose the one that suits your needs best. For this tutorial, we will select a monthly calendar template. Once you select your desired calendar template, it will open in a new sheet. This calendar has yearly and monthly views that automatically adjust based on the current date. You can easily navigate between the months and customize it according to your schedule. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google frequently updates its interface, but the steps remain similar. Feel free to explore the features and make adjustments as needed. Now, to personalize your calendar, you can add events, reminders, or any important dates directly into the cells. This makes it easy to keep track of your schedule at a glance. As you fill in your calendar, remember to save your work. Google Sheets automatically saves your changes, but it's a good habit to double-check. You can also share your calendar with others by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. To recap, we started by navigating to Google, then opened Google Sheets, selected a template from the gallery, and customized our dynamic monthly calendar. This simple process allows you to create a versatile tool for managing your time effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.